This is Shiba Inu land, and I want to say hello to everyone. In this same way, SHIB will reach zero during the course of this week. All the latest Shiba Inu news in the later part of the United States session on Wednesday, the price of Shiba Inu is getting ready to enter a breakout trade. A chart indicates that there is a point of inflection with several indications, and bulls need to take a chance at this point if they want to make the most of the momentum that is now developing. Because the price action is being supported and there is a significant amount of room to continue higher, bulls have the potential to book gains of up to 30% on the back of this breakout trade. Within the context of this video, we will discuss the specific manner in which SHIB will decline to zero the next week. All the latest Shiba Inu news in order to view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. Make sure to give this video a significant thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. The video is about to start, so let's not waste any more time. In terms of its price behavior, the Shiba Inu price is receiving bullish intervention of some kind. This past Wednesday, and during the entirety of the European session, the 200-day simple moving average, often known as the SMA, served as a source of support and maintained price movement above 100 cents. The red descending trend line, which will serve as the line in the sand for a breakout by the bulls, is currently being approached by the bulls. The breakout is not bearing any significant resistance levels until a 55-day simple moving average, which means that bulls in the SHIB market have the upward in their favor. The fact that this one is higher than 1,200 cents indicates that bulls have the ability to recapture that psychological level. The influential gaming expo known as SHIB might see more inflow at 1,300 cents by Friday, according to its projection, if additional tailwinds come in from the event. The green ascending trend line poses the greatest threat due to the fact that it is moving downward, in spite of the fact that the region below that 100 cents level is quite turbulent, due to the fact that the monthly zone and that red line are both located at 966 cents for the low of March. It has the potential to set off a catalytic move once it is violated. There is a possibility that the consequence will be a rapid decline to 738 cents. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, which is the second largest meme coin in the world, is continuing to grow its impact across the market. The Shiba Inu community has recently driven the listing of SHIB tokens to major Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges. This is the most recent development in this phenomenon. Additionally, Bitflyer, which is one of the major exchanges operating in Japan and has more than 2.5 million members, recently made the announcement that it would begin providing support for trading SHIB tokens. This morning, on March 22nd, Bitflyer made the announcement that was made earlier today. The Bitflyer company, which is based in Japan, has not yet disclosed any particulars on their strategy. On the other side, it announced a commemoration of SHIB handling, which included a price pool of 10,000 Japanese yen and 20 winners who were qualified. Starting today, which is the 22nd of March, the campaign will begin, and it will come to an end as soon as Bitflyer begins to handle SHIB. It should be noted that Bitflyer is not the first cryptocurrency exchange in Japan to process SHIB transactions. Ocoin Japan, the Japanese subsidiary of the exchange Ocoin, which is situated in San Francisco, announced on February 28th of the previous month that beginning to handle transactions involving SHIB. In addition to that, the exchange communicated that the Shiba Inu listing was met with favorable enthusiasm. Additionally, the burn rate of the meme coin Shiba Inu experienced a significant increase, which increased by a staggering 4,600. This was another development that occurred. The term burn rate refers to the proportion of tokens that are taken from circulation, which has the effect of reducing the overall supply of the SHIB cryptocurrency. This significant increase in the rate at which SHIB is burned ought to, according to the theory, result in a better price for the Ethereum cryptocurrency, given that it has the effect of reducing the supply. On the other hand, the market price of Shiba Inu has not demonstrated a great deal of fluctuation and has stayed essentially consistent, which has caused investors to be perplexed. There has a market valuation of $6.04 billion for the Shiba Inu meme coin, which is now trading at 10.87 cents as of the time of this publication. This month, the cryptocurrency market as a whole had a rally. However, Shiba Inu made the decision to abstain from participating in the rally. The price of SHIB has had only minor variations over the course of the past 2 weeks, which suggests that large-scale traders and investors are uncertain about the future of the cryptocurrency. As an additional point of interest, the main development team at Shiba Inu has been falling behind in the deployment of the Layer 2 scalability protocol known as Shibarium. To add insult to injury, there are further projects that are waiting in queue for the debut of Shibarium, one of the most eagerly awaited SHIB. Additionally, it has been stated that the metaverse would be deployed on the Shibarium platform. During the most recent market upswing, Shiba Inu has been a commodity that has moved relatively slowly. There are still analysts who maintain a favorable outlook on it. In a recent statement, the well-known cryptocurrency enthusiast David Gokhshtein stated that his wager on SHIB at 1 cent is still valid. At the same time, Balaji Srinivasan placed a wager on the price of Bitcoin being 1 million. On the other hand, this would result in a spectacular 100 times increase for the present price of SHIB. In such case, Gokhshtein has pledged to erase his Twitter account, which now has 700,000 followers. A cryptocurrency wallet that is holding a significant quantity of Shiba Inu tokens is transferring funds to exchanges. An analysis of past data indicates that if the holder were to sell the tokens, there would be a decrease in values in the short term. More than 182 billion Shiba Inu tokens were transferred from wallet Xerox 6 to cryptocurrency exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com during the morning hours of Monday in Asia local time. The data presented here comes from the analytics company Look On Chain. That identical wallet was responsible for the transfer of more than 200 billion SHIB to Crypto.com 3 months ago. They are being sold for dollars in the United States. At that time, the price of SHIB had dropped by 7%. It is possible to use the movement of tokens from wallets that contain a large amount of supply as an indicator of price action by tracking the movement of individual tokens. It is possible that the price will decrease if a significant number of tokens are sold because there will be a higher supply available to the market. However, if the tokens are transferred to applications that are associated with decentralized finance, or DeFi, it is possible that prices will not collapse instantly. According to the statistics provided by Etherscan, the wallet Xerox 6 contains more than 3.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens overall. The present market worth of the asset is close to $40 million, just a little over than 0.3 of the entire supply of Shiba Inu tokens is represented by this amount. According to Look On Chain, the wallet purchased Shiba Inu tokens in August of 2020 with an initial expenditure of 10 Ether, which was equivalent to slightly more than $3,000 at the time. The price of Shiba Inu currency has been fluctuating in a sideways fashion, despite the rise in the price of Bitcoin. As Bitcoin strives to overcome its $28,000 resistance, the meme coin is now falling behind the majority of alternative cryptocurrencies. As the holders of SHIB wait for the introduction of its Layer 2 network, the price chart of SHIB appears to be the quiet before the storm. There has been a slight increase of 0.85 in SHIB's price on Friday. The popular meme coin is currently trading at 0.1067 USD at the time of this publication. The value of the coin has increased by 10.8% from its monthly lows and has decreased by 32% from its year-to-date highs. It would appear that the price of SHIB is currently in a state of sideways accumulation, which indicates that a significant shift may be taking place in the near future. In recent times, the most of the SHIB news has been centered around the launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, which has been eagerly anticipated due to the fact that this has the potential to exert upward pressure on the price of Shiba Inu coins. This has fast become one of the most anticipated events for the meme currency community. The makers of the new blockchain are still keeping their cards close to their chests, and the date that the mainnet will be launched has not yet been disclosed. As of March 11, the public beta version of the network has already been made available to the public. The utilization of a chain ID for an already existing blockchain, on the other hand, has caused the euphoria surrounding the new meme coin blockchain to be somewhat dampened. A member of the community brought this up in the Discord channel she was using. This SHIB chart demonstrates that the price has established a lower low on the daily chart, as shown in the following chart. From a technical standpoint, analysts consider this to be an indication of weakness and the beginning of a possible downward trend. Additionally, the price is working to consolidate below the $0.1086 support and is currently trading below its 200-day moving average. The Koyo token is a decentralized finance project, also known as DeFi, that is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Its primary objective is to provide a platform that would let users to access a variety of financial services, including as lending, borrowing, and staking, in a manner that is decentralized. It is the Koyo token that serves as the platform's native cryptocurrency. This is a way of payment that may be used to gain access to the many financial services that are available on the platform. Just $8.4 million is the total market capitalization of the cryptocurrency, which places it at position number 3,180 on the CoinMarketCap ranking system. Despite this, the initiative has resulted in the loss of 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which is equivalent to around $50,000 in the past 10 days. This has been a significant contributor to the destruction of SHIB in the past 2 weeks. As a result of the volume, there has been discussion on whether or not the numbers are accurate. On the other hand, SHIB Burn, which is the dedicated burn tracker for Shiba Inus, these data were just recently validated. Through the use of the Burn portal, Shiba Inu tokens were put to the torch. One piece of evidence that the tokens have been burned is the quantity of SHIB tokens that have been burned and can be traced back to the Koyo token address. And that brings an end to today. Don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you can see our most recent videos.